Hello, world!
Hey.
Today we're talking about my roommate snoring.
Yay.
Oh, wrong one. I keep doing that. This one. Her snoring problem. It's really loud.
I don't have a snoring problem.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
But anyway, does anyone else snore? Would you like to share your story? Do they keep you up late at night? Well, if they do, then you understand my pain. This is what I deal with every once in a blue moon. And then, of course, this is what it looks like when I wake up. My head is extremely large from all the congestion and everything else. But anyways, let's hear a word from our sponsor, Amanda. Goodbye.
Okay, I'm done.
Wasn't that a wonderful message? Anyway, but let's do something a little more entertaining, which we like to call silent film. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay, say something, anything.
Hello.
Yeah, she's very talkative. We call her Silent Bob. In your face, camera people! Just kidding. Anyway. So, who likes tacos? Yeah.
Me.
that's what I thought.
I was taking a drink of coffee.
Oh my goodness. She's lost her.
Oh my gosh, this thing says darn hot coffee. It doesn't just say regular coffee.
Okay, let's move on to something a little less odd.
Morning, darn hot coffee.
Yes, she has issues,
I know.
which we will cover in the next episode of College Boredom. Goodbye.